Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to my channel to get new video updates. Everything you need to know about brow lamination. There's a running list of eyebrow trends that we've seen come and go over the years. From overplucked, skinny brows to waxed and threaded arches to semi-permanent microbladed brows, our brow preferences are constantly evolving. Brow lamination, in particular, is a newer trend that's gained a ton of popularity on social media in recent years. It's an innovative treatment that uses chemicals to semi-permanently set the eyebrow hairs in a vertical direction, giving them a brushed-up look. What is brow lamination? Brow lamination is essentially a perm for the brows, explains celebrity esthetician Kayla Bulsing. It's an amazing treatment for those with stubborn hairs that grow down or won't stay in the shape you prefer, she adds. It temporarily straightens and lifts brow hairs, similar to how a lash lift works, except it focuses on your eyebrow hair and not your eyelashes. People typically get this treatment for the appearance of sleek, brushed-up brows, and like microblading or tinting, it gives you the look of fuller, fluffier brows. The major benefit is that it'll last longer than any brow gel or pomade you'd use to create the effect at home. What happens during a brow lamination appointment? A chemical solution is placed on the brows to soften the hair follicle so that it's able to be reshaped in any direction. A second solution will be placed to hold that shape. By lifting the hairs on your brows, you create a fuller, more prominent brow and shape. It will also accentuate the arch of your brow and add structure to the whole face. Your appointment should also include a full service to shape and clean up your brows. My ultimate brow lamination treatment also includes a wax or tweeze and tint to create a fuller, timeless look, Bulsing shares. While it's ideal to have a licensed, trained professional to do this treatment for you, you can laminate your own brows at home. Just be aware that it may lead to brow damage if not done properly. What are the benefits of brow lamination? Brow lamination is great for those who want to put less effort into maintaining their brows. Typically those that have trouble shaping their brow at home love a good lamination, and those with full, long hairs like that the lamination keeps their hair in place, Bulsing explains. It's also a great alternative to microblading, a semi-permanent tattoo in which strokes are created over your brows to mimic hair. Brow lamination uses only your existing hair follicles and does not color the brows. The results of the former can last well over a year, whereas brow lamination only lasts about 4 to 6 weeks, which may be ideal for those not wanting such a permanent change. How much does brow lamination cost? This obviously depends on where you decide to get your treatment, but in general, you should expect to pay anywhere between $75 to $120. Bulsing says that the average is $115 per session. How long does brow lamination last? You'll find that brow lamination can last anywhere between 4 and 6 weeks. On some occasions, your lamination may last up to 8 weeks if you look over your brows extremely well. As weeks pass, you'll notice the shape of your brow relaxing a little and losing the laminated effect, which is a sign that it's the perfect time to go and get your brows re-laminated. Gaffney says that if you're looking to do something new to your eyebrows that isn't permanent, brow lamination can be a good start. Potential side effects. With any treatment done to your body, especially your face, you're at risk for a variety of things. With your eyebrow hair being so delicate, brow lamination may cause breakage, and if the shape doesn't hold up for long, the lamination may look half done as it fades, which, Gaffney shares, is not particularly a good look. While brow lamination is not invasive, many people may face a few side effects like swelling, redness, peeling, itching and bumps, which are all related to skin irritation caused by chemicals found in the solution used to create the laminating effect. These side effects can occur directly below and or above the eyebrows and may even extend to your eyelids. If you have sensitive skin, rosacea, eczema or a history of contact dermatitis, you may want to speak with an esthetician or brow artist beforehand to do a spot test to see if you have any reaction. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to my channel to get new video updates.